In this video, I'm going to show you how to repurpose your video content into box videos for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all these different social media sites to help you drive traffic back to your YouTube channel coming up. All right, let's find the file we're going to be working with. Average Joe income. Hitting the lottery is a curse. It's a video I did a while ago telling a story about how I hit the lottery. I'll put a link in the end of the video so you can watch it. So once your video is uploaded, drag it to your first track. Side note, I'm using Filmora 9. So work on anything though. All right, go to project settings. You're going to change it from a 16:9 to 1:1. Okay. All right, now you're going to see here that 2 bars have been created because everything's smushed. This is where you're going to write your captions. Now the video I recommend to be between 30 seconds and 1 minute. This way you could share it on multiple platforms. TikTok only lets you have 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Twitter up to a minute. Instagram about a minute. So 30 seconds to a minute is all I recommend. So we've got our raw file. Now, we're going to start with captions. You can use whatever captions you have, depending on your software. This one I actually have captions. So I'm going to grab 2 of them, slide them all the way to the end. Okay, now I'm going to drag and drop these into the bars where they pop out. I don't want to interfere with the picture. I want these to be in the bars so they pop. Okay. Now the top one, we're going to delete this text, put our headline in, and now we're going to blow this up. Real big. Try to fit the whole box. If you find that it's not growing, if you're using Filmora 9, you want to drag the box. It's got to be, it has to open up space for it to actually grow. So you could be clicking the size and it's not growing. That's how you solve that solution. Just drag the corner, peel it out, and it'll get bigger. Nice and big though, because if this is on Facebook, people are going to scroll by it. You want them to see these big words and you want to see the captions moving. All right, that's all set. Now the lower. What we're going to do here is we're going to listen to a few seconds. Just a few phrases. And we're going to type that in the lower box. And we're going to do a phrase at a time. All right, blow that up. A little bit bigger. Try to fill the box, but not overcrowd it. You want it to be big and pop and not too much information. All right, now drag it down to the next phrase. And we're going to repeat this process until we've done the whole 30 seconds. I think right now would be a good time to hit the subscribe button and smash the like if you're finding value in this video. All right, see, I just copied exactly what I did in the first one. Now we're done. Click OK. Those are confirmed. And now I want to add a call to action to this bigger part up top. So I'm going to go maybe the last 5 seconds and make a cut to that individual track. Right there. So make sure you select that track. That's all I need to cut. Change the text and tell them where to go. where they could find the full video. Full video link above, because it's going to be on Facebook. Now zoom in. I'm going to click OK to save that, and we'll watch the full video. After a year, I had a pair of running shoes that I never used and $5,000 in debt. What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'd like to talk about affiliate marketing and getting an education on how to build an online business and reviewing my favorite products and services that can help you do that. If you're interested in anything along those lines, make sure to grab the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. So yeah, today we're talking about hitting the lottery and why. All right, now that we're done, we want to create the video. Go to create video here in the export section. You're going to save it as an MP4 to your computer so you can share it on multiple platforms. We're just going to do Facebook on this, but this will work on TikTok, on Instagram, IGTV, and also Twitter, and Snapchat as well. Okay, now open up Facebook, go to Photos, Video Post, click Upload Video, Upload Video, find the file that you want, right there, lottery curse trailer. All right, we'll title it Lottery Curse. All right, now we're going to jump on YouTube to find the full video that we want. We're going to need that link to put in the text. So, all right, down on the bottom right, you'll see the share button. Click that. There'll be a link. All you have to do is tap copy. It's instantly saved. All right, let's jump back over to Facebook. Type our description in. Actually, I'm going to change this to bit.ly just so it doesn't appear to be that I'm taking them off of Facebook. All right, so we're just going to copy that. Now go to tags. This will help you show up under related topics. So I'm going to do one specific, lottery. There isn't anything else that's popular here, so I'll just use stuff that I use for multiple things. You can put up to 7. Now pick a language that the video's in. All right, I'm not going to choose a thumbnail. Subtitles, again, video language. I'm going to do English US. And then auto generate. Even though there's captions in there, I'm going to turn this on anyway. No polls, no tracking, no 360 tools. Click publish. And your video should start processing. So the next step is to click on the video coming up if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and dive deep into this subject on this channel.